Hey guys, this is an unboxing of the RYOBI 18V 1 Plus series drill. I think this is great value if you can get it during a sale period. I got this one for 135 euros around the Black Friday deals. The model is R18PD2-242S, and why I think this is a great deal is because this actually includes two batteries. So it has a 2-amp battery and a 4-amp battery, and just these two batteries can cost more than the price for the set. So that's actually why I got it, because I wanted to do two batteries. And in addition, I bought some other like things like this impact wrench and kind of one plus inflator. So now I have the batteries from the drill set, and of course the drill is great to have as well, but the value is really in those lithium-ion batteries. So if you need batteries, it might make sense to get an impact drill, because those sets come quite cheaply with batteries. So let's do still an unboxing of the set. So it has the batteries, a charger, and the a soft case for the drill. It seems I had to open it from the side, but now I have the soft case open here, and it seems it's still locked like this, so I need to clip that open. Okay, now with the case open we can see what's in. It seems there are a few manuals, one for the charger and one for the drill. Then we have the actual drill here. The build quality, I think, on these RYOBI tools is quite good. It feels quite nice in the hand. Then we have the charger for the 18V batteries. It seems the charger is a bit more compact nowadays, but it has this transformer, so it's transforming it to 18V and 2 amps of charge. Then we have the batteries. These are actually, I think, the most valuable part here. So we have one 2-amp battery and the other one is a 4-amp battery. So the 2-amp battery has 36 watt-hours of charge. It's actually surprisingly lightweight, so kind of nice for tighter spots to have the smaller one. The bigger one is 4 amps. It seems it's made in Germany. This is in 2021, so surprisingly long in the shelf. It has this button. Okay, the charge is actually less than what you would expect for storage. It should be in the middle somewhere, I think. Yeah, this one is also from 2021, so they are kind of selling old stock. And it seems this one doesn't even have the button for the charge indicator. That's kind of unfortunate. Let's plug it in and let's see, does it work? It does work. And this has a hammer drill driver on it as well, so you can change it to hammer mode, screwing mode, and drilling mode. And it has the gears 1 and 2. So that's a quick unboxing and model information for the drill. I think it was a good purchase. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.